Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 3 in Debated Project 3 to 4. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4 and independent project 3 to 4, and we move to the main project step. And so step number 1 is open the classes garden, start a file. If the workbook open protected view, click the enable editing buttons. You can modify the file rename automatically, include your names and change the project's file name. It's directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel 2021 chapter 3 project 3 to 4. So next is use the quick analysis to create the cluster column chart object for a range cell A4 to G9. So quick analysis to create the charts range is A4 to G9. So type the A4 to G9 and press enter. A4 to G9, and next is quick analysis to create the cluster column charts. Create the cluster column charts. Create the cluster column charts. Cluster column charts, click OK. And next is cluster column chart and move the chart object so that top left corner is in cell A12 and size the bottom of the charts reach in cell H13. So move the charts top left in cell A12. So move the charts in cell A12, and next is size the bottom of the charts to reach H13. So move the chart in cell H13. So move the handle in cell H13, and next is move the charts object so that the top left corner in cell A12 to H13. And next is added the title to display the CGL gross margin in dollars on it. The first line and second line is by departments, alternative and start new line. So type the and added the chart title. So select the chart title and type the CGL, and next is to margin. Margin in dollars. Margin in dollars and press enter. And second line is by the departments. So by the department, CGL margin in dollars by department. And next is question number 5 is apply the chart style 14. So apply the chart style 14 and go to the chart design tabs, go to the chart style groups and chart style is to the 14. chart style is 14. The chart style 14. And next is apply the 1 pt black text one in the second column, outline the chart area. So second, outline the chart area, apply the uh, one black text one in the chart area. And first black in the second column is the chart area. So go to round tabs and outline is to the chart area, chart design, and solid fit and black text one. And next is to the display the primary minor horizontally axis grid lines with the black text one, outline color, and do not change the color of the minor grids in the grid the vertically and track to the vertical axis. So shape outline is apply the black text one shape outlines and go to the format tabs and shape outline is the black text one and second column outline chart title and display the primary minor horizontally axis grid line. And next is to the display the primary minor horizontally axis grid lines, primary minor horizontally grid line chart design and primary minor horizontally grid line, primary minor horizontally axis grid line, and format the major axis grid line with the black text one outline colors and go to the format and shape outlines is the black text one, shape value grid line with the black text one and do not change the color of the minor grid lines. And next is identify the grid line vertical axis and track value in the vertical axis. So next is to the resize the data range and remove the designs, consolidates, and data series. And resize the range, design, in the data series. So select the charts and next is to the resize the data and remove the design and data series. Next is resize the data range to remove the design consulting data series from the charts. And next is to the go to the chart design tabs and select the data and select the design the consulting and click the remove. And next is select the A1 and click the break even sheet tabs and click the break even sheet tabs and click OK. So next is select the cell A1 and click the break even sheet tabs. So go to the break even sheet tabs and next is click the cell A1. So select the cell A1 and next is review the break even formula below the data source for align charts. Select the cell B8, the margin per units calculators by the subtracting variable cost series and by cell select the cell B10, the formula divide the fixed cost in the variable cost margin per units. And next is review the reference formula row 15 and below the copy the formula row 52, select the B5, type the 200s and verify. Add these pieces in the break evens point to 200 units. The list is which profit cover all cost. So next is in cell 11 and select the cell B8, and next is the margins per unit is calculated by subtracting the variable cost from the sale price and select the beaten. The formula divide the cost by the sale price minus the variable cost. The result are rounded to show no decimal places. So select the beatens and copy the formula. And next is to divide the fixed sales minus cost margin and review the reference in cell B5, B15 to the blank row below the 24th and select the B5 and type the 200. So select the B5 and type the 200 and press enter. So if you want to complete a Sandwich diagram, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, fine arts, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and GR exam.